Here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal. The material looks like it's from a choroid area, rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted. What you're seeing on some of the pieces is the light reflection. I'll just zoom in. Okay, just grouped all these pieces together because they all look like they're from the choroid area. There's a little spider webbing on that piece. This piece has been broken from another stone, but still make a nice little stone there. Again, another piece of choroid that's been cut down from a larger piece. Still make a nice pendant, interesting patterns. Again, choroid spider webbing, another stone that's been broken or cut, looks like it's been cut. Coloured patterns there. The matrix type choroid pattern. Again, choroid pattern there. Cut that off up here. Make a nice little pendant. Nice fine, bright spider webbing. This piece hasn't got a lot of colour in it by the looks, but it's an interesting pattern. A little bit of colour there, showing up, but not a lot. Not sure if I showed you that piece earlier, I think I did. Again, fine spider webbing of colour. Reds and golds up here. Bit of green showing there. This bit I just threw in, it's nothing spectacular. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.